JB Morrow, go and get your bag.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Kennedy Nicole, and I'm here today to welcome you all to my channel. This is my very first video, and I'm just very excited. So by the title, you can tell that I'm about to go and clean my car, decorate it, and then after that I'm gonna go to some stores, get some hygiene supplies and school supplies.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life.
So I'm about to just put my contacts in. I like my glasses. Yeah. I really recommend contacts for real, because glasses, I can't just wear them throughout the day. Really can't. Some people think they hard to put in, but they really not. Okay, now I'm just in the bathroom, about to wash my face, brush my teeth, all that good stuff. And I'll talk to y'all after.
I liked you better on the first date. I should've said what's wrong in the first place. I don't, cause you always taking it the wrong way. You won't listen, you're too busy playing 2K. I always been down, but you still sleep. And even though I said it now, you should've been peeved. I feel it in my soul, yeah, so deep. So deep, you should know that about me. I just turned down your avenue. I had to, but I'm mad at you, yeah. You always say I got an attitude, oh, yeah. But that's you was acting rude. I had to ask you if you had a few, cause you always say I got an attitude, oh. Why you talking to me like you be like? Why you always wanna be right? Oh, I just need the time that you can't find. I just need to know that it's still mine. And the way that you can't say my name don't seem right. But I know when to go and it's
Okay, so I just finished my hair, makeup. Y'all know I have to try that viral TikTok hairstyle. Yes. It's giving. Definitely giving. Okay, now I'm about to go put my clothes on, and then I'm going to eat breakfast. And this is my outfit of the day. I'm about to fix me some oatmeal. This wasn't even in the cabinet. Y'all, make sure y'all get these variety pack, because oatmeal will get you right. Get you right. I'm just so excited to bring y'all on my journey. And when we gonna actually start on the YouTube, like. I've been waiting to do this for like a minute now, especially when how I dropped the oatmeal pack. Especially when I'm about to be in nursing school, y'all. So that's what I'm really excited for. I'm on level 2. So nursing content will be coming. Just to let y'all know. But while I got that in the microwave, y'all, this right here will get you right. Stomach gonna be on flat. Like, drink this every morning and every night before bed. called kombucha. However you say it, y'all need to get the synergy kind because it's the real kind. All the other ones, they got added sugars and stuff in it. This is just real and raw.
Disgusting conversation is so boring. Heard about what? I hate her, I don't agree. I did it first. I give a fuck, I just want fuck. Be asleep, dog.
Yeah. And after I get done eating, I'll meet you guys in the car.
I really be stopping to look for walks, y'all.
Okay, y'all, I'm in the car and I'm about to go to the car wash and clean my car out.
Like your melody, honey, your melody.
I ain't got that clue, bruh.
Bless up, 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 bless up.
Soon as I wake up in the morning, I see dollar signs. It's the only thing that's on my mind. Other than pussy, you can't put me. All these poor faces on me, I feel like Chucky. Don't even pay no dirty clothes on me.
Y'all, it's real loud out here, but this is what I got for the floors for my car. They're so cute. I just had to get it. Like, I'm about to put them in there right now.
Yeah, the boys are back in town. Yeah, the boys are back in town. She's addicted to the melanin. Go to
I also got some seat covers, y'all, and they're so cute. I'm about to put them on. I'm finally finished, y'all. It's so hot out there. Like, I know I look a mess. Like, I'm sweating real bad. Don't make no sense. But I'm finna go and get my inspection sticker on my car because it's expired. Like, that mug expired in June. It's August, baby. I'm about to go get it done. I ain't got that clue, bruh. Y'all, cause why is it so hot out here? Like, this is the coldest my air ever has been blowing today, baby. Cause my car know I'm hot. Maybe I had went to fix her up or whatever. I ended up leaving my decorations at home, so I'm gonna have to show y'all those when I get back home. Okay, y'all, I'm about to show y'all what I got for my car for the inside decoration. I got all this from Amazon, so if y'all want to know and get this, where to get this stuff at, I'll put it down in the description below. But this goes around my tire.
Really meant to say steering wheel.
My seats. I got some seat belt covers. Yeah. This goes on the driver's shift. I definitely need that because my stuff is tore off. This goes on my seat rest glove department. I think that's what it's called. This goes around my rearview mirror. Okay, so got these little things for my tires. I got a plug-in in here for my charger, sparkly. Also, I got these for the sun visor for my sunglasses. Got these cute little hearts to go into my window. I mean, not my windows, y'all. My air conditioning. And I got this little ball that's gonna hang from my rearview mirror. It's so cute too. Now I'm just gonna put everything on. I have to go ahead just put this on first. Hopefully it don't be too hard. I have to turn my car off though, so the wheel don't move. But dang, this guy is getting real hard. Yo, this ain't gonna be hard to put on. Okay, I got it on, y'all. That took too long, baby. It's so pretty though. I just did the rearview mirror, y'all. It's so cute. Period.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less.
Okay, I finished, y'all. It's so cute. I love this. The seat belt covers. The floor. This is so cute. I'm ready, y'all. We about to go to Target. Y'all, we're about to go in Target, and it is so many people here. This is about to be my first vlog, and a whole bunch of people want to be here, y'all. Okay, I'm about to get ready to go. I'm definitely about to have to be discreet up in here. There's so many people in here. Okay, so I'm at the body wash section, and I know exactly what I'm here to get. And they better have it. They only have it in big styles. Oh, here you go. God, this smells so good. Like, y'all gonna have to get this. I'm trying to tell y'all. If y'all want anything else over here? I already got these, but these are antibacterial soaps, y'all, and they're very good for you if you have like odors or if you sweat a lot. I also see they have the Method Body coconut wash. Definitely want to try this. Oh, they got this music so loud in here, but this long. Y'all, they got what I'm looking for, the EOS shave cream. Definitely gonna get this. Y'all need to try all of this stuff. They have the best razors that I use. I don't even think I see them. Oh, Venus. But yeah, Aveeno is good too. But I just get the EOS. Y'all, I'm so scared right now. I don't even want to record, but I'm here for y'all. This is exactly what I'm looking for. Some scents for my car. I wish you could really like smell it, but you really can't. Berry. I feel like this is about, but no. Because these Febreze smells. I think I'd rather get the Febreze smell. Yeah, that'll do. This is what I got so far, y'all. Oops. Okay, y'all. This right here, the best. Well, don't mind my nails. They are so ugly. But I'm about to get the vanilla cashmere. I feel like this one smells real good. So, yeah. About to get it. I don't know what else I need to get. I see they got on the go stuff, so I'm probably gonna get some to put in my glove department. Some wet ones. What else could I put? Oh, some Clorox. Let's see what else. Are these baby wipes? Yep. Definitely gonna get those. Let's see what else I can use. Oh, some tissue. I think that's really it. Well, I could get some spray on deodorant. Advance. I definitely need some exfoliating cottons, rounds. These are the best ones to use. Let's see. That's really it over here. I just want to get these mighty patch. I'm not sure which one I want though. And I'll get these ones. Oops. Let me dropping stuff in here, y'all. Hold on. I've been looking for these. I'm not sure which one I want to get though. Nourishing, brightening, toning. They all look so good. I'm about to get this one, the toning. No, I'm gonna get the brightening. It's the fact that I was already on this album, and this is what I was looking for. See if they got the one that I want. These. I don't know if we could be using these. I think I'm gonna get this one. Let me keep looking though. I already got all these. Yeah, I'm gonna just get the good girl. Oh, I got it. Y'all, it's me trying to find these owls. Like, I'm steady just looking. Oh, I'm sorry. They got all of these. I don't know. I think I want the cranberry one. I'm just about to show y'all exactly what I got from Target. I know y'all already saw it when I was in the store, but I just want to explain why I got it, you know. Okay, so the first thing I got is this EOS, y'all. This lotion is the best lotion, y'all, and it smells so good. Like, I couldn't resist. Whew. I already had the coconut one, but I wanted to get into vanilla flavors too, so I got this. And with that, I got the Native body wash, the coconut and vanilla. Like what I said, these are my go-to smells. Like, walk by somebody, like, you would smell real good. Like, and the ingredients, they are really good. Like, you can't really see them, but it has sodium benzoate, citric acid, like all the stuff that's made for your skin. I wanted to try these for the under the eyes. It says vitamin C brightening eye patches, because you know I don't want my eyes to look dark under here. So yeah, I got these. Hopefully they work. And I'm going on to Lumi. This right here, you would never smell like. You will not smell. If you have problems with underarm odor, like sweating odors between your cracks and creases, this is what you really need to get, because it's very helpful, like I promise y'all. Then I got the EOS, like I said, vanilla shaving cream. I wanted to try this because it's vanilla and that's like the side of smells that I'm on. But I heard that it's really good and it's moisture, 24-hour moisture. So yeah, get y'all some. The next thing I got is the Method Body, the coconut rice milk shea butter. I've heard many good things about this, so I decided to try to see how it will do on my skin. So yeah. The next thing I got is the Good Girl probiotics. I heard a lot of people use these, and I'm gonna see how it goes, because I always wanted to just take some good probiotics, like. But I'm glad I saw reviews on this, and a lot of people were using them. So yeah, that's why I got it. The next thing I got is the Azole Cranberry for urinary tract health. Like, to keep my tract health strong. Like, I don't want to end up like suffering from things, you know. Make sure y'all always be protected. Like, helps cleanse and protect. That's exactly why I got them. And I hope they work. I really do. And the next thing is the exfoliating cotton ovals. I love these because I use Thayer's blemishing toner with salicylic acid in it, and this is what I use. I put it on here and then I put it on my face, and that's why my skin be looking so glossy and clear. The next thing I got that I wanted to try was the Mighty Patch Invisible Blemish Hero, because I do have like blemish spots sometimes that sometimes won't clear up. So I really hope that these work. I'm going to definitely let y'all know if they work. The next thing I got is a tongue scraper, because I'm tired of using my same toothbrush to scrub my tongue, you know. I don't think that's a good way to scrub your tongue using your toothbrush, the same one every day, you know. But I feel like I should try these since they're disposable. So yeah. That was all I got for my bathroom hygiene shower stuff, you know. The stuff I got for my car to leave in, I got some baby wipes, fragrance-free baby wipes, because you never know when you need baby wipes. So I made sure I keep some in my car. I got some wet ones, because you never know when you'll need antibacterial hand wipes. So yeah, I also have hand sanitizer in my car too, but I can use these too. I definitely need some tissue in my car, because sometimes I be needing to wipe my face, blow my nose, and I'll be having no tissue in my car. So I'm glad that I got this. And I got this Clorox to-go pack because I wanted to wipe down my car, all the dust and stuff that's in it. I hope that this helps it be clean, because I don't know, but I'll show y'all. And I got these scents for my car, because I don't know, I like fresh breeze scents. Like, I don't really like fruity scents in my car. I like fresh, like, yeah. And that's really all I got from Target. So I just want to thank y'all for for watching my very first video. I hope y'all really enjoyed it. I really do. I just want to say subscribe, like, comment, and yeah. Thank you.